Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Sheila. So in this video, we are going to do an unboxing video about what I've got to House of Little Bunny. So House of Little Bunny is made from Thailand, and they celebrated 10 years. Alright, so what is House of Little Bunny, or HOLB? Little Bunny is a popular Thai affordable luxury handbag brand. So it is known for its colorful mix and match designs, and it is popular in Philippines, Indonesia, and Myanmar, even in USA, because I saw a lot of online seller. They have House of Little Bunny bags. So I went to House of Little Bunny at the market. So they have branch at the market. It's a huge store located in Ratchadamri. Yeah, Ratchadamri, beside Big C and in front of Central World. If you are planning to go to Bangkok, Thailand, so you can go there, you can visit there, and they have a lot of different kinds of bags. Alright, so I will show you what I've got. I've got 3 bags. Alright, so I will show you first. Alright, so this one, it's a huge. So guys, if you buy House of Little Bunny, even though you will buy one piece, they will give you a bag. This one, it's so huge. I like it. Alright, so, and they also have this. I forgot what we call this one. Alright, and so this is the first House of Little Bunny bag that I bought together with my husband before I visited the Philippines. So, I love the color. My husband chose this one because I don't have pink bag. So I told him I don't like pink, but he told me that, oh, you don't have pink bag, so you have to choose this one. Alright, so I choose this one. This costs 1,390 baht. So this one is timeless. So House of Little Bunny timeless PU. I think this one is 18 inches. So if you buy this one, there is a QR code here. Oh, so timeless sling. Oh, I'm sorry. This one is 23 inches blush reef. Oh, it costs 1,590 baht in regular price, but I only pay 1,390 baht, guys. So let me open for you. It's properly wrapped. So, alright guys, so here is the strap. And, oh, I love the color. It's pink. Oh, so nice, guys. So this one is 23 inches. Timeless sling. Alright. So this is the first House of Little Bunny that I chose. Alright guys, so here is the second that I bought. It's small. So I bought this one last November, before my birthday. So I asked my husband to give me a gift, and then my husband told me, okay, you choose what you want. So I choose House of Little Bunny because I'm looking for this sling bag to put my phone. because I lost my gentlewoman bag, my phone bag, so I don't want to buy new one because I bought another gentlewoman bag. So this one, guys, I choose this one. So I bought this one for only 799 baht. So this one, guys, is color blue because my favorite color is blue. This one is timelessness phone bag. So this one is 18 centimeter. So, and I check if my phone 16 Pro Max fits here. So it fits. So this one also is a sling bag. So here is the strap. And it's blue inside too. So there is a divider for cards, for ATM, like this, for your credit card and so on. So I like it. They have when I went there last November, they also have different colors, but I chose this one because I don't have blue bag. I only have cream, nude, black. So that's why I choose this one. So I have pink, I have blue from House of Little Ben. Alright, so let's go to the last bag. Alright guys, so the last bag that I bought from House of Little Bunny is this one. I bought it during the annual sales. Yeah, this one is during the annual sales. So I went there and I waited for about 1.5 hours. And oh my goodness, there are lots of online seller and a lot of people. So this one, I will show you what I've got during the annual sales. Alright, so they give me this one. I love it, the calendar, the House of Little Bunny 2026 calendar. So this one, if so I queue via QR code there to the reception, and they give me this one, 2026 calendar. And I'm looking for different bags, guys. Because I saw this one to the store, and yeah, this one costs 1,190 baht. But in regular price, I think it's 1,490 baht. This one is a mini traveler bag, guys. So this one is not my first choice, but I bumped to someone and she told me that this one is a good choice. So that's why, because I'm looking for the bag that I can use every day to school, but I don't like the designs and it's two-tone, two-color. I want only nude, one color, nude or black color. But I think because of the annual sales, it's sold out. But I am very happy and satisfied with this bag, the mini traveler bag. Alright, so this one, it's a clay color. They call it clay color. And so, alright, so this one. So let me open. Alright guys, so let me open for you what is inside. So I hope that there is a strap, because I read so many because I didn't check. Ooh. So I didn't check So let me check. So there are 2 sling bag. 2 strap. I don't know why there are 2 straps. So there are 2 straps included to mini traveler bag. 2 straps. I thought one is the wallet size. So, but I love it. I like the texture. It's too soft. Wow, I will use it soon. So, like this, guys. Alright, and I don't know why there are 2 straps. Maybe one is for shoulder and one is for the crossbody bag. But, oh, so good. That's one mini traveler bag. Alright, so I am very happy that I got during annual sales, because last year I didn't go there because I saw it. There are a lot of people, but this year I tried to go there because I like the quality of the House of Little Bunny bag. Alright, so that's all for today, guys. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. So I hope you like this video and see you again next video. Bye!